not know how to count.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, babe. Get me or show how ulan. Or show ulan. This is the Dada Kael moment, okay? Ha?
I am the boy, huh? Don't know
Okay, let's go to
the
sleep na. Here. Dada and Kael.
You told the story about the boy, huh? Don't know the town.
Yeah. One day, where is the polar bear? Where is polar bear? Wait, I need polar bear for the story or panda bear.
I am Mama.
Ah, here. Abay, I have here. I have polar bear. Okay. Okay. This is the story now.
This is the tiger. I am a tiger and you are a baby.
Why you are the Dada?
Because I am the tiger and
Okay.
you are.
Okay, here. I will now tell the story. One day, in a very far village, lived the Dada, the tiger Dada, and his son, the very white polar bear. No, they are the father and son.
Give me.
Father and son.
Give me big.
Okay, father and son. And then, father and son says, my son, polar bear, go to the market and buy us 10 potatoes and 10 carrots. I give you this money and you buy us vegetable. And the polar bear said, okay, Dada Tiger, I will go to the market and buy potato and carrots. So the boy goes walking. And there, in the market, saw Mr. Monkey, Mama Monkey. Mama Monkey. Hello, Mama Monkey. Hello, Kael. Who's Mama Monkey? Like Moses and Mama. Bing! Ayaw nakasuko. Bing! They're laughing. And then, Baby Polar Bear gave the money. My tiger dad wants 10 potatoes and 10 carrots. And then Miss Mama Monkey, okay, Mr. Panda, just go and get your vegetables there. So Mr. Panda go to the crate. He saw the potato and the carrot. And he said, I'll only need 10 of carrots, 10 of potatoes. So he count. 1. Can you count together?
Yeah.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
hooray! He got his 10 potato. How about the carrots? Count.
Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20.
Okay, I have 20 carrots.
Ay, sugot ato, nag-shortcut siya.
10
10 pa.
carrots, okay?
11.
And then the Mr. Panda, the baby panda go back home. And then he saw his Dada. What is the Dada Tiger doing?
Keeping.
How does the Dada Tiger sleep? And then goes the polar bear. What did the polar bear say?
Wake up, Dada!
Again,
Wake up, Dada!
louder.
Wake up, Dada!
Then the Dada wake up. Alright. Hello, Mr. Sun Panda. Polar bear. Polar bear. Where are my carrots and the potato? There, I put in the kitchen. Okay. Thank you, my son. And he goes to the kitchen. And the Dada tiger counted. Oh no! Oh no! The carrots and potatoes were not made of 10. There were only 7 potatoes and 7 carrots. Angry Dada. Come here, my son Polar Bear. Son Polar Bear. What is the son Polar Bear doing? What is the son Polar Bear doing? Sleeping, oh, sleeping. Oh, that's Dada. Dada tiger, wake up. Wake up, wake up. Yes, Dada tiger, what is it? Did you count the carrots and potato? Yes, I counted. Did you count correctly? Yes, I counted. Are you sure you know how to count? Yes, I know how to count. And then the polar bear showed how to count. And then the Dada, oh no! My polar bear son did not know how to count. That is why the potato and carrots are missing. Come here, polar bear. I will teach you how to count. Come here, Kael. I will teach you how to.
No.
I will teach you how to. Yes. That's why when the polar bear now knew how to count, he said to Dada Tiger, Dada Tiger, I'm sorry. I did not know how to count. Now I know how to count. Dada Tiger replied, that's okay. Next time, be sure how to count. Because counting helps every day in our life. Yes, and they hug each other. And they kiss, Kael! The end. Wow. Oh, what is the story about? Okay, can Kael know how to count? Okay. Can you close my finger while counting? No, close my finger. You close my finger. Close. What? 100? Oh no. Mama, Kael don't know how to count.
10.
Again, you pay Dada.
Properly ka. Count properly.
Ano electric pa?